Imagine this. You're 40 years old, sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail, and you realize you're completely financially free. No debt, no stress, just you, your dreams, and the life you've always wanted. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if I told you it's closer than you think? The secret? It starts with one decision, the decision to take control of your money. And in 2025, the tools to make that happen are right at your fingertips. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 budgeting apps you need in 2025 to transform your financial future. These apps aren't just tools, they're your ticket to a wealthy lifestyle. But here's the catch. If you don't act now, you could be leaving thousands on the table. So, are you ready to change your life? Let's dive in. Let's face it, money is hard. According to a recent study, 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. That's 2/3 of us. And here's the scary part. If you don't take control of your finances now, you could be stuck in this cycle forever. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a financial expert to turn things around. In fact, the solution is as simple as downloading the right app. These apps are like having a personal finance coach in your pocket, guiding you, motivating you, and holding you accountable. So, let's get into the first app that's going to change the game for you in 2025. Now, before we start, let me ask you this. How many of you have tried budgeting, only to give up after like 3 days? Raise his hand. Yeah, me too. But trust me, these apps are different. They're so good, you'll actually want to use them. Let's start with the OG of budgeting apps. App 1, Mint. First up, we have Mint. This app has been around for years, and for good reason. It's like the Swiss Army knife of budgeting, tracking your expenses, creating budgets, and even monitoring your credit score, all in one place. But here's why Mint is a must-have in 2025. It's free. That's right. You get all these features without spending a dime. And with its new AI-powered insights, Mint can now predict your spending habits and warn you before you overspend. It's like having a crystal ball for your finances. But here's the kicker. Mint isn't just about tracking your money. It's about changing your behavior. By showing you exactly where your money is going, it forces you to confront those late-night Amazon purchases. Ouch. But hey, no judgment here. We've all been there. Now, Mint is great for tracking. But what if you need a more proactive approach to budgeting? That's where our next app comes in. Trust me, this one's a game changer. App 2, YNAB. Meet YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. And let me tell you, this app lives up to its name. YNAB isn't just a budgeting app, it's a mindset shift. Instead of tracking what you've already spent, YNAB forces you to plan where every dollar will go before you spend it. It's like giving your money a job. And the results? Life-changing. Users report paying off thousands in debt and saving more than they ever thought possible. But here's the thing. YNAB isn't for the faint of heart. It requires discipline and commitment. But if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, this app is your golden ticket. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I'm not great at sticking to a plan? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Our next app is perfect for the overspenders among us. App 3, PocketGuard. Say hello to PocketGuard. This app is like your financial bodyguard. It tells you exactly how much you can spend without derailing your budget. Its In My Pocket feature shows you what's left after bills, savings, and goals. No more guessing. No more overspending. And in 2025, PocketGuard is getting even smarter with personalized savings tips and bill negotiation services. Imagine saving hundreds on your cable bill with just a few taps. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. And here's the best part. PocketGuard is perfect for beginners. It's simple, intuitive, and keeps you out of the red. But what if you're looking for something more adventurous? That's where our next app comes in. Stay tuned, because this next app is for the risk takers, the ones who want to grow their money, not just save it. App 4, Personal Capital. Introducing Personal Capital. This app is for those of you who are ready to level up. It's not just a budgeting app. It's a full-blown wealth management tool. Personal Capital tracks your net worth, analyzes your investments, and even helps you plan for retirement. And in 2025, it's adding AI-driven investment advice, making it easier than ever to grow your money. But here's the real kicker. Personal Capital is free for basic features. That's right. You get all this power without paying a dime. So, if you're serious about building wealth, this app is a must-have. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I'm not a millionaire yet? Don't worry, neither am I. But with Personal Capital, you'll feel like one. And speaking of feeling like a millionaire, App 5, Goodbudget. Last but not least, we have Goodbudget. This app is perfect for families or anyone who loves the envelope budgeting method. It's simple, effective, and keeps everyone on the same page. And in 2025, Goodbudget is adding new features like shared goals and real-time syncing. making it easier than ever to budget with your partner or roommates. But here's why I love Goodbudget. It's not just about money, it's about teamwork, because when you're working together toward a common goal, anything is possible. Now before we wrap up, I've got one more surprise for you. A bonus tip that could save you thousands in 2025. Here's the secret sauce: automation. All the apps we've talked about today offer automation features, whether it's automatic savings, bill payments, or investment contributions. And in 2025, automation is getting even smarter. Imagine your money working for you while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's the future of personal finance. So, set it and forget it. Let these apps do the heavy lifting while you focus on living your best life. So, there you have it, the top 5 budgeting apps you need in 2025. These tools are your secret weapons for building wealth, crushing debt, and living the life you deserve. But here's the thing, knowledge is only power if you take action. So, what are you waiting for? Download one of these apps today and start your journey to financial freedom. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial wake-up call. Remember, the life you want is just one decision away. So, make it count. Until next time, stay smart, stay motivated, and stay wealthy.